I'm sorry, I messed up. YouTube, I've neglected you, but I want to tell you I am back and in full effect, and I'm so happy to get this car season kicked off, and I'm excited about the new ventures that we're gonna have at Mod Performance Tuning, as well as all the cool cars we'll get to see this season. I'm gonna be hitting it hard, and guess what? I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Also, I've hit up a couple of the Night Moves meets, and I have a few clips of a couple of cool cars that were out there, including this beautiful M3, which I'll show you now. I have some quick clips of where I've been and what shows I've been to, and also some cars that we're going to preview on the channel to come later on, including a 600 horsepower MR2. This thing is a monster. I can't wait to show you guys just a walk around, and then a couple of pulls we'll insert now. I know you're wondering where my brother at Poostruck is. He's around and he's preparing for something epic. I hope to capture the whole journey on video so I can show you guys what an epic build is going to be. So, see you then.